Hi, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, we are going to see how to hide your folder. Suppose you have a very important documents in your folder and you have sensitive data in your folder and you simply want to hide your folder. So by following these simple steps, you can easily hide your folder. For this, first of all, you just need to click on your folder and then click on the right click button from your mouse and just go back. This is the properties. You need to click on this properties, and here you can see this is our property tab and we have the hidden button here. We just need to check this to apply on our folder. Simply check this and then apply your folder. Just click on this apply button and just apply on this folder. Apply changes to this folder, subfolder and files. So these changes are applied on the all the files that are hidden in this folder. Just simply click on this OK, and here you see your folder is hidden. You're not able to see your folder here. So by following these steps, you simply hide your folder. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.